Well, right now, Clubhouse is all the rage. And in certain circles, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Some people have gone on Clubhouse and they get off right away. Well, there's one tip that when you're on Clubhouse, if you do this, you're going to get a lot more value. One is always create more value than you try to take. Don't go in and just go on the stage just to start spouting off something without creating value. So that's the first rule of thumb, is really look at how you can create value. And when you hear somebody speak, if you really like what they have to say and you really feel like they would be a good connection, immediately go to their profile, to their bio, scroll down until you get to the Instagram link. Go over to Instagram, private message them and say, I heard you in the Find a Guest, Be a Guest group. Let people know by giving them a point of reference where you know them from and say, I thought we could connect. Here's my email address. I would love to connect. Something like that, rather than, oh, I really enjoyed your talk in Clubhouse, because chances are they're not going to see your message right away. They may see it days later and they're going, well, what group was it? What is this in reference to? So give a point of reference. That's your tip for Clubhouse. I'm getting a lot of value from Clubhouse. I'm meeting some really amazing people, and I'm doing everything I can to create value while I go on stage, and either I have a question, I have a tip, or both. Usually it's both. I'll say, I've got a question and I've got a tip. Here's my tip. Give them the tip, and then here's my question. And I keep it specific to the group that I'm in, because there's all types of groups. But I always announce, this is Kathleen Gage. I have a podcast show where we interview vegans and plant-based lifestylists. Real simple. So immediately I've grabbed people's attention who may have an interest in that. This is Kathleen Gage with Power Up for Profits and Plant-Based Eating for Health podcast shows. Follow me on Clubhouse at Kathleen Gage. That's on Clubhouse at Kathleen Gage. Have a great, great day.